Citroen has updated the popular C4 Cactus, but instead of just doing the usual nip and tuck, they decided to premiere their new comfort-based hydraulic suspension in Europe with it. The French company calls the new suspension progressive hydraulic cushions and is offered as standard on Feel and Flare models, claiming it offers a magic carpet ride effect. The new suspension is combined with Citroen's also new advanced comfort seats that come with adjustable lumbar support and are filled with high-density foam, as well as better soundproofing. The exterior was restyled with new bumpers and new lights, while the characteristic air bumps are now smaller and positioned lower, just above the sills. Citroen says the new C4 Aircross now offers 31 different combinations to choose from. Customers in the UK are offered a choice between two versions of the 1.2-litre 3-cylinder PureTech petrol engine 110 PS and 130 PS and the 100 PS 1.6-litre HD diesel unit. A naturally aspirated 82 PS version of the 1.2-litre petrol will be added to the range from May. The range of driver assistance technologies includes 12 systems, like active city brake, speed limit recognition, lane departure warning, coffee break alert, driver attention alert, blind spot monitoring, park assist, grip control and more. A 7-inch touchscreen display serves not only as the infotainment system but also houses the controls for the air conditioning and comes with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and MirrorLink. Prices for the 2018 Citroen C4 Cactus in the UK start at £17,965 for the 110 PS petrol fuel version, with the first cars expected to be delivered at the beginning of April.